Hello friends, you probably have multiple tools to secure your network or your internet activity, but there is a one tool that's the ultimate secret weapon for you. I'm talking about VirusTotal. It's the free tool web-based service that has become the gold standard for threat analysis. If you have never used it or you only scratch the surface of what it can do, this video is for you. So let's get into it. So this tool is for the multi-scanning like file, URL or search, and it's owned by the Google and created back in 2004. Think about your home antivirus. It's great, but it's one opinion. Now imagine taking a suspicious live or a dodgy link and running it past McAfee, Symantec, Microsoft Defender, and dozens of others, all at the same time. That's the power of VirusTotal tool. By gathering this aggregated data, it gives you a comprehensive analysis that one single tool simply cannot provide. It helps you to catch those nasty viruses, trojans, malwares that your personal scanner might miss. And crucially, it helps you verify against false positives, saving you a headache. So, how to submit or how to check this one? Using it is super easy. You can upload files up to 650 MB or you can provide a link in search bar here. So let's start. So I will take a Facebook link. So I will copy this link and let's go to VirusTotal. I'm in the URL section. For file, you can go to file and upload there. So in URL, enter the link https://w.facebook.com. So let's search. So within few seconds it will give you the data. So it scanned and provided 0 out of slash 98, 0 out of 98. Means this link is fully secured. There are no flags. If any database is flagging red, it will give you the numbers here. So suppose if five databases are suggesting this link is red flag, though it will show you here five. If more, how much count is there? It will show there. And last analysis date here, 16 minutes ago. Then detection details, community. So below here details you can see which vendors are analyzing this. So AB6 admin US labs, they are also saying that there is no red flag in the URL. Bitdefender, Chain Patrol, CRDF, lot of datas are there. Phishing database is also saying there is no red flag in the URL. Malwares.com, pre-bytes. So you can see all vendors here. So some are premium checks. If you have premium of VirusTotal, you can get the data of those things also. So in details, we can see the details of the website. So it's scanned by the alphamountain.ai means categories alphamountain.ai social networking site. Dependers also many Sophos firewall, Forcepoint. So many are suggesting it is in social network. So Facebook comes under social networking site. So history, first submission in 2010, last submission 2025, sometime back, and last analysis. So this one, last submission and last analysis. So this one is done by us, means submission analysis done by the system, VirusTotal. So HTTP response URL, uh, IP address for this, then status code, body length, body SHA, then headers here, then HTML info, title, meta tags, then cookies and redirection chain. Lot of details you can see here. So so you can check it in graph also. So let's go here. So this is for the premium subscribers. If you have premium of the VirusTotal, you can get it here. So let's check for the file. So you can upload a file from here. Maximum size is up to 650 MB as we suggested. So you can upload and it will analyze and it will give you the detailed report of that. You can automate the submissions of your URL or files also. So for API documentation, you can click on check our API button. So it will take you to the documentation. So you can using this documentation, you can make your API for automation also. So this is an advanced search engine over their massive data set. You can hunt for specific threat indicators and get immediate context also. You can apply the rules to filter the data and all. It is a collaborative hub powered by the best in the business. Whether you are a student, a curious user, or a seasoned SOC analyst, it should be a bookmark in your browser. So I would like to hear from you what's the most valuable piece of malware you have ever analyzed on VirusTotal. Thank you.